Hi, my name is Curtis Johnson. I work for Sioux Falls Fire Rescue. Today we'll be going over the combination smoke alarm CO detector. And the things we'll be doing is simply activating the alarm, testing the alarm, and showing the effects of the alarm, what to do when they go off. The alarm is a 10-year battery combination smoke alarm CO detector. The alarm has a sealed battery, so there is no battery to take out or to tamper with at any time. To activate the alarm, you simply place it on the base and give it a turn till it stops. You'll hear the beep, it is activated. At that point, you'll take the base and install it on the ceiling. Now this can be installed on the ceiling or the wall. If you're gonna install it on the wall, it needs to be installed at least 4 inches down from the corner of the wall and no more than 1 foot. Installing it on the ceiling, we wanna make sure that it's placed outside the bedrooms that are normally slept in. And if it is installed near a bathroom, no more than 6 feet or no closer than 6 feet to the bathroom is what we wish to have it. If it needs to be closer than 6 feet to the bathroom, we would install it on the wall. To test the combination smoke alarm, you simply use the test button that's on the face of the smoke alarm. Depress the button on the smoke alarm. The smoke alarm will go off first. It will simply go off twice. That is the smoke alarm. Now you will hear the CO alarm. One more time. You'll hear that the CO alarm has a faster beep and the smoke alarm is a slower beep with a pause in the middle. At any time you hear either one of those go off, we do wish that you would phone 911 and get a hold of the fire department and have them come check the situation out. If it is a false alarm and you know it is a false alarm, that would be fine to take care of it yourself. But if it is a CO alarm, we do wish that you would contact your local fire department and have them come check out the situation. Once the base plate is installed on the ceiling, then you will place the alarm on the ceiling on the base plate. Placement of the combination detector on the ceiling. You can use the box for a measurement. You want to be at least 4 inches away from the wall. So at least 4 inches away from the wall, you can see that the box is 4 inches, so you would place your combination detector at least that far away from the corner or the wall. If you wish to place the combination detector on the wall, you can also use the box for a placement. You can place it below the box. That would be more than 4 inches, but less than 12 inches, so you'd place the combination detector just below the box itself. Sioux Falls Fire Rescue recommends having a combination smoke alarm CO detector in your house. The one that we use would be a combination CO alarm, smoke alarm, and it is a 10-year battery. It is a 10-year sealed battery. You install it on one level of the home, outside your bedrooms. If you have a forced air furnace in your home, we recommend having one outside your bedrooms. That would cover your whole house. The CO, if there were to be a problem in the house, the furnace would generate the air movement in the house and move the air around, and the CO detector would go off then if there were to be such a problem. The CO detector, once it alarms, we do wish that you would dial 911 and get your local fire department to come to your home and check things out. Here in Sioux Falls, smoke alarms and CO alarms are provided if you cannot afford to buy them yourself. The phone number that we wish you would call if you cannot afford to purchase the items yourself would be 367-8093. If you have any questions about smoke alarms or CO alarms or anything in your house related to fire, you can also call that number. Again, that number is 367-8093.